Hello. I wanted to introduce this real and average button. And this button, we have two test modes. One is real-time test, and another one is average test. And I'll tell you how to use it. First, OTDR settings, and the fourth test time. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 options on the test time. And if we choose the first, second, third, and the fifth time, they are the average test mode. And don't choose the real time. First one, 15 seconds, 30 seconds, and the custom. There are 4 options, and the price 1, short time. And now it starts the testing now. This is the average test mode, and the test results will show up directly. Okay. And the next is if we want to use the real-time test mode, and we can and the test time and the real time. Choose the real time and price 1, short time. You can see there is no time limits. If you don't press any button, it will keep testing. And the function for the real-time test is to read the test dates directly here. And if we press here, there are numbers, there are dates. So